Coralie at the Yorkton Public Library. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so I thought we would do a little Valentine's craft. All the supplies for this will be available for pickup at the library. You'll have a little craft kit, and in there you're going to have to do a lot of cutting for this craft. So I'll show you. Oh, and I forgot to take one out. So this is what you're going to get, and it looks kind of funny just like that. Doesn't look like much. But what you need to do is you need to keep it folded, because the key is to make some hearts. So we were going to cut everything out. And this one you're going to cut in half, because those are our wings. So I've already done that. Here's my wings. But if you see, when I cut it, it was a heart to begin with. And then I just split it up for my wings. And this part I cut out as well. And then you also have some, there's three actually. This one doesn't have it on there. But there's three little tiny ones, and those are going to make our tiny little hearts that we'll use for later on in our craft. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Here's one that's just pink. You're going to get one of these as well. This is part of the face. So right now it doesn't look like much. So be sure not to unfold it, because if you unfold it, it just looks kind of funny, doesn't it? So we have to leave it folded up, and I'm just going to cut that out to show you how it makes a heart. So just follow along the line. And there's my heart. So we're going to start assembling this. So we first need our red heart, and you're also going to get a white circle to cut out. I've already done that. So we're going to put our red heart first. Oh, you know what? This one, I did something wrong. So I'm going to cut my pink heart a little bit smaller. When you have your craft kits, everything should be the right sizes for you. There, because yeah, we want our pink heart to fit inside of our red heart to make the face. So there's that part. Then we're going to take one of our hearts, little hearts, and we're going to put that on for the nose. And the eyes. You should be able to tell what this is if you haven't already peeked at what my finished product is. So there's our eyes, and now we're going to do our wings. And we'll just stick those on kind of like that underneath a bit. Can you tell what it is yet? Kind of looks like an owl, doesn't it? Let's finish them up. And here's our little feet. And the feet we're going to turn the other way. So they're going to kind of be upside down hearts. Here's our little feet. And you can write on here. You could write your name. You could write who you want to give it to. I love you. And if you're too young to write, I'm sure you can get your mom to help you out. So there's our finished product. Come on down to the library and pick up your kits. Happy Valentine's Day.